Hi, it's Mike Dierks with Leadership Management Institute of Central Ohio. I'd like to invite you out to our LMI Success Workshop on August 10th from 9 to 3 at our conference room here in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. We're going to show you how to uncover a 13th month in your year. Could you imagine? What would you do with a 13th month? Not to work more, but to enjoy more. More golf, vacation, family time, just de-stress. Our proven process can help you find that 13th month in your calendar. Remember, August 10th from 9 to 3 is the workshop. Limited seating to 12 people. There's an early bird registration, so sign up soon. Remember, spend a day and elevate your success. Look forward to seeing you.